I lost this trade and still took the same setup again 30 seconds later. Here is exactly why. For this strategy, let's choose the classic candles and set the time frames to 15 seconds, and let's go to the expiration time and let's make it 1 minute. And yeah, that's all. Now let's choose the indicators. Here we are choosing 3 moving averages, 1, 2 and 3. Now let's go to the first moving average. Let's make the period 7 and let's make it SMA, and let's go to the style green with 2 pixel, and yeah, that's all, and save it. Now let's go to the second one. Let's make this one 9 SMA. Now let's go to the style. Let's make it white with 2 pixel, and yeah, that's all. And now let's go to the third one. Let's make this 14 and let's make it SMA as well. Style to red with 2 pixel, and yeah, that's all, and save it. Okay, now let's choose the perfect currency pairs. This strategy works on both OTC and the real market, so we are selecting both of them. Okay, now I'll see you in a few seconds after finding a perfect market to open our first trade. Okay, here I found one and I'm selling here. The reason I'm selling is, in this strategy, you need to see the moving averages line. The red and the green are the main and the white one is the secondary. But remember, in this strategy, always the white line should be at the middle. Whether it's buy or sell, it should be at middle. Now, the reason I'm selling this is, as you can see, all of the moving averages line has just recently intersected each other and they are all facing downward. And as you can see, the red line is on top and the green line is at the bottom, which indicates that the market will go bearish. So that's the reason I am selling here. Okay, this is the first win of our day. Now let's go and find another one. Okay, here I got the another one. Okay, as you can see here, all of the moving averages line has just intersected each other and all of them are showing the uptrend. As you can see, all are in incline and the green line is above and the red line is below, which indicates that the market will go bullish. So that's the reason I have bought here. Okay, here I got another similar type of pattern and I'm again buying here. The reason I'm buying is, as you can see, all of the moving average line is intersecting each other and the green line is above and the red line is below, which indicates that the market will go bullish. So let's see if this trade goes profit or loss. Okay, here we made our first loss of the day. This indicates that not every signal is 100% correct. Sometimes you can make loss as well, but still I'm choosing to go for the buy trade here again because the signal is still clear and there is no sign of market going down. Okay, although I made a loss in the same market, but now I made a profit here. So the rule is, after making a loss, don't panic and follow the rules strictly. And yeah, that was the last trade of the day. Today we are closing with $601. If this video helped you understand the setup, drop a like and follow for more pocket option strategy every week. Also, if you want a detailed explanation of this setup, you can click here to watch it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.